Hi guys, Ellie here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we have something from Anker, and over here we have a Furan premium accessory HDMI adapter. So this is a Furan, so that's a brand. So this is an adapter from HDMI to something I do not know, nor can I see. So when we open this, we'll find that out. And then we have something from Anker as well, which is looks in the Anker packaging. Doesn't say what it is, but it says power expand USB-C to HDMI adapter. So this is a USB-C to HDMI adapter, while this, if I'm not wrong, is all HDMI to USB adapter, USB-C. So let's see what is this and what is this. So let's start opening. So we open it up. We get a user manual right here. Normal manuals that we would get. So we'll put that to the side. And over here we have the Furan. Let's open. Okay, let's see. Let's open this up. What? This is very, very odd. If you guys can see over here, it says nothing on it. It's just HDMI. It's just nothing. So, what could this be? I do not know. Let's see. Let's read some. It comes with no instruction, user manual guide, nothing. So, so this is a HDMI dummy plug. So this is what this is. So this, you can just put it into any HDMI and it'll act like something's connected and it'll act like a dummy plug. So this is what this is. Now let's come on to the Anker adapter. So this is a USB-C to HDMI adapter. It's a bit long, which is good. So one key reason that you have to go with a better brand, such as like Anker, which is a pretty good brand for what it's known for, is you have to be able to, the connector must be able to work, because we've had many, like a lot of connectors in the past, and you must have seen our unboxing videos on those too. So they worked for probably like 4 months, and then they start like glitching. The HDMI, the signal started cut out, the sound started, quality became bad. So this is why you have to get a good HDMI connector. And one good thing about this is it's like it's gonna stay. It's not, and it's like braided. So, and it also like metal, if I'm not wrong, from the inside, so it can stay in place where you want it, and it's like stiff. So that's something I would like, which is good. And then over here we have the dummy plug, and an example is where you just plug it in, and it's a dummy plug, and it'll say full HD 1080p, and it'll act like a dummy plug. So this is how it looks. And if you want to use this with a actual HDMI cable, it's probably more likely going to look something like this. Plug it in, then you have it. Then you plug it into your computer. The other HDMI is plugged into your TV or your whatever device you want to cast to, your monitor. So this, the Anker USB-C to HDMI adapter is really good. I highly recommend this. And if you guys want to see how the dummy plug works, go check that video out with a review on the Anker HDMI to USB-C adapter. Will be coming up soon. So let's see how these two work. Thank you guys for watching our video. Please like our video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. And remember to hit the bell icon. Bye.